Okay, Maggie, show us the way. Okay, go. We're on the Bruce Trail. Where are we? The Bruce Trail? Balls Falls? Maggie's leading the trail. Hold on, Maggie.
Someone will jump up. Sometimes they're so scared they just run. You know why? Because they see they have animal guns. They die before they run.
Yeah, is this the way? Yeah, go. What you got in your hand? Is that your stick? Uh-oh, a fork in the road. Which way do we go? Okay, go.
Maybe this was a bad way.
Okay, Maggie, say goodbye.